Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be, well tonight, because it's nighttime here, and we're gonna be replacing this. What's this? It's upside down. There, it's the AC blower motor. And it's so easy that it's my daughter who's gonna be working on it. That's life. Life is easy. She already removed the cover, which, all crumpled because of age. I'm just gonna buy a new one, or maybe do some custom thinking about it. So there's a motor. Well, before you remove that, let's let them hear how it sounds. So it will sound like, ooh. So that's the sound, and I'm assuming it's the motor, so I just bought the motor and she's just gonna replace it. Okay, you can go back to your job again. See the play. So the motor is fine, but bearing is probably shot. So the motor was really cheap, so I rather replace it and have an extra motor. So Jensen is going to put it back again, and we're done. Okay, let's test it. Yeah, boy. All we have to do now is to put back the glove box, and job is done. Congratulations. That's my ninja daughter. So that's our short fix for the day. For the night. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Say goodbye, Anson.